Welcome back to Innovative Foods. Today we are making a festive favorite, Besan Ladoo, a traditional sweet that fills every home with aroma and warmth during festival. Let's make it rich, soft and absolutely delicious. In a pan, add half cup ghee, add 1 cup suji and 1 cup gram flour or besan. Roast them together on low heat. Always roast on low heat to avoid burning the gram flour. Stir continuously for even roasting. Add 2 teaspoons ghee and keep stirring constantly. Roast for about 7 to 8 minutes or until it turns slightly golden and release a nutty aroma. Gram flour is rich in protein and fiber. Ghee adds healthy fats that improve digestion. Pour the roasted mixture into a plate and let it cool down for 5 to 7 minutes. Now add 1 cup powdered sugar and half teaspoon cardamom powder over the warm mixture. Mix well until everything combines evenly. Add sugar only after the mixture cools slightly to prevent melting. Cardamom helps with bloating and adds a soothing aroma. These laddoos are great for quick festive energy boost. Now shape them into small round laddoos while still warm. If the mixture feels dry, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of melted ghee before shaping. Once set, your golden aromatic besan laddoos are ready to enjoy. Besan Laddu is one of the oldest Indian sweets, believed to be made since ancient temple times. The word laddu comes from the Sanskrit word ladduka, meaning small ball. In many Indian homes, laddus are made as an auspicious offering during festival. Besan or gram flour is also used in many savory snacks across South Asia. And that's our soft melt-in-mouth festival special Besan Laddu made with love and perfect for celebration. If you enjoy traditional sweets, give the recipe a try and share your festive moments with Innovative Foods. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more simple and heartwarming recipes.